Focus on community relations and mental wellness. The charge from Chief Justice Brian Sykes to Jamaican police as he urged them to adapt to the changing times where social media increases surveillance of everything people do. He was addressing a police conference in St. Elizabeth on Wednesday. Krista Campbell tells us more.
A growing police force means more boots on the ground to fight crime, and a growing social media appetite means more eyes on the police as they interact with the public daily. It's a reality that head of the Area 3 Police, Assistant Commissioner Christopher Phillips, says must cause a change in operations. Addressing the St. Elizabeth Police Conference in Junction on Wednesday under the theme Resilient Policing in a Changing World, ACP Phillips explained how that should translate within the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
It looks like the corporal in Black River who learns to use the new e-ticket device, even though she used the book for 15 years, and then teaches her younger colleagues. It looks like the team in Malvern there that holds a community meeting after a shooting because they know trust can't be rebuilt with blue lights only.
For Chief Justice Brian Sykes, establishing and maintaining good community relationships can make a world of difference in a court case.
So courtesy, transparency, professionalism, respect. These are classic quadrant 2 investments, important but often overshadowed by urgent operational demands. Yet when these are neglected, the consequences are immediate. Witnesses do not come forward, victims hesitate to report, and communities withdraw cooperation.
He also stressed the importance of less serious police duties like taking reports, as he pointed out that when a court case fails, it's usually not because of any single breakdown in the justice process.